Hello gardeners, Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. Last week we covered some great ground cover alternatives to lawn. Today we're digging deeper and showing you how to properly irrigate them using subsurface irrigation. And we are thrilled to have Jared, managing partner of Valley Sod, back with us.
Thanks so much, Joey Lynn. I appreciate being here. It's great to be back. Subsurface irrigation is kind of a game changer for these ground covers, especially in our dry climate.
Absolutely. So Jared, can you explain the basics? What exactly is subsurface irrigation and why is it so beneficial for these ground covers?
Subsurface irrigation is a system that delivers water directly to the plant roots through this tubing that's laid out just below the soil surface. So this minimizes evaporation, it reduces water waste, it ensures that the plants receive the moisture that they need right where they need it.
Well, that makes perfect sense. So how does this work with the ground covers that we talked about last week?
So ideally, you're going to put down about 2.5 inches of good topsoil, and then you're going to start laying out your tubing. The tubing is laid out in a grid pattern or kind of ladder lines, and you line them up strategically so that each plant is next to one of these emitters in the tubing, and that ensures even water distribution and it promotes healthy root development.
What about converting from a traditional sprinkler system? That sounds quite complicated.
It's actually not too complex as long as you've got the right components. So you're basically just converting from a high pressure sprinkler system to a low pressure drip irrigation. So you need a pressure reducer, and then you're going to just kind of flush out this system to get any debris out of there before you plug it off with these end caps.
And how do homeowners even know if they're doing it correctly?
Well, if your plants die, you did it wrong. So it's always best to consult with a professional, but if you're a DIY enthusiast, then you just start by mapping out your area and planning your tubing layout.
If you're looking for professional help, the Southern Nevada Water Authority website is your go-to. And while you're there, be sure to explore their website and learn about all of their rebate programs.
Exactly. And as we've shown in these last 2 episodes, living in the desert doesn't mean that you have to live like a lizard on fire. You can still have a beautiful green oasis. We're committed to providing you with the best products and information to create a beautiful, water-efficient landscape for all your ground cover and sod and alternative lawn needs. And to learn more about how we can assist you, visit us at valleysod.com or give us a call.
Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing.
I'm Jared.
And I'm Joey Lynn, and I'll see you next week.